It's a race to that bloody death. Get back here. Get back here.
Please stay right by my side. You got me wild.
So we're going over to Bourbon Street.
This is how it sounds.
We're currently cruising down Royal Street.
Royale.
No, it's not. I checked with a pretty good authority. He agrees with me.
French. It's French.
We just love all the balconies through here.
Bubbles!
Bubbles.
Bubbles! Bubbles!
Hey, what's a bath without bubbles? Hey, Bubbles, come over here.
Right.
That's on the list of houses to see. That thing that I texted. It's the bourbon bar. It's the funky pirate.
Funky pirate.
Welcome to Bourbon Street. Ryan and I are here at the Marie Laveau's House of Voodoo. We got the ladies with us.
Hi.
Hey girls, hi!
Hi, boys.
We're just going to kind of explore right here at the corner of Bourbon and St. Anne. It is the most historic aspect of New Orleans. It is where you see them throwing all the beads and showing off their assets. Tatas.
I'm just green screened in.
Yeah, sure you are. With my shadow. I'm pretty sure Christmas just threw up on that house.
You leave that house alone.
Ryan, go to church? We're here, Assembly of God Church.
He's just a goddamn heathen.
Oh, there's a Canadian flag. What?
Of course, when you're traveling with Canadians, they always find their Canadian flag somewhere, you know. We're walking down the historic Dufresne Street. And if you ever come down to New Orleans, just remember one thing, that none of the sidewalks are really level. They're all about like that. Some of them are all kinds of bouncy, bumpy, so just kind of keep that in mind. Wear good shoes, good walking shoes. I don't know what it is with our fascination with morbid things, the death and whatnot, but this looks really cool. Do they allow photography?
Yeah, picture.
I got it. I got it. Go ahead. Please no food or drink, but they say nothing about video. So go ahead.
No, awesome.
Drop shit and still make it look good.
We're here trying to see Death, but Death wouldn't let us in its gates. It's closed, which is really weird. See, they don't want either one of the two of us.
No.
Louis Armstrong Park. Louis. It says his name up there. I bet you that sign looks pretty at night when it's all lit up. Don't look at me! I'm hideous! So we found a nice little park we're just kind of strolling through, sort of chilling out. It's kind of a cool day here in New Orleans. The breeze is kind of nice. I'd say it's maybe in the, I don't know, mid-50s, I would say. But the breeze is kind of constant, so it's pretty comfortable out here. Don't ask me what it is, what 55 degrees is in Canadian. If you want to know that, you need to ask a Canadian. What is 55 degrees in Canadian, sir?
I don't know. 55 degrees in Canadian is fucking hot.
50. It's like 15 degrees.
I think it was what it's supposed to be today.
Needless to say, it's just pleasant enough to wear a light sweater, and that's about it. But
55 degrees Canadian would be Celsius.
the ironic thing is, in this hashtag try not to pee challenge, is I actually do need to pee, and that's not helping. Just word of the wise, if you do end up coming down here to New Orleans, plan in advance, because if you have to pee, there ain't a whole lot of places that'll let you come into this place and allow you to go bathroom. So anyways, pro tip when you're traveling is to make sure you plan in advance.